through activity number 11, number 8. Okay. So what should I do, Platina? Here? They say we should. They want I nominal here. What did they say? Convert an effective interest rate of. So this is the effective, and then we're supposed to convert it into what? To nominal, compounded quarterly. Okay, number A, what should we do? The formula, what does the formula say? It says 1 plus I effective is equaling to, open bracket, 1 plus I norm all over n to the power of n. Okay, let's collect the data then. What do we have as our I effective? Do you know what is the I effective? So this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. I think the interest needs to be in decimal. So. Okay, what is our n? Our n is 4. Okay, what is our I norm? We're looking for it. Okay, let's go and substitute then. If we go and sub, then what are we going to have? So we're going to have 1 plus 0, 1, 3, 2, which is going to be equaling to, open bracket, 1 plus I norm all over 4 to the power of 4, like this. Okay. And then if we continue with this, what do we get? So we can always add this one and this one again. Let's check if we add those two, what do we get? We get 1 plus 0, 132. And then we can write it as a fraction like this. So it's 283 all over 250. Which is going to be equal to 1 plus I norm all over 4 to the power of 4. Okay, what should I do from here? Yeah, so we're going to put the quad root of, and then also going to put the quad root this side. And then we end up with what? Let's check. What do we end up with? So it's 283 all over 250. And then it says, this is going to be equal to 1 plus I norm all over 4. Okay. We still want to get I nominal. How do we get I nominal from here? If we take this one to this other side, it says the quad root of 283 all over 250 minus 1 is going to be equaling to I norm all over 4, like this. Okay. Then what do we do from here? We still want to get 1 I norm. If we can multiply both sides by 4. So we say we're going to multiply this by 4. And then we're also going to multiply this by 4. And it says which our I nominal is going to be given as a decimal. Let's check. We have 4, open bracket. And then we have the quad root. So instead of 3 here, we come and put 4. And then we have the fraction. It's 283 all over 250 minus 1. And then we close our bracket. Okay, this is what we get as a decimal. Again, we get 0, 125. We'll write it 5928. And then we multiply by 100 here. Again, we want it as a percentage. If we multiply by 100, it says multiply by 100. And then it says I norm is going to be given as, it's 12,59. percent. And then we're officially done with the first one. Okay, let's get the second one then. No, number P. What are we doing with number P? We're doing exactly the same thing. We're converting the effective interest rate of 14% per annum to a nominal interest rate, and then it's half yearly. Okay, how would we do this one then, number B? Okay, again, we still have I effective. So what is our I effective? It's 0,145. No? Our N is equal to what? To 2. Now, as soon as we have these two, again, we have the I effective, and then we also have the N. So we can go and use our formula. And then by now, our formula seems to look like this. Then we can go from the formula that we've already calculated. It says I norm is going to be given by, open bracket, it's 2, again. And then it says this is going to be equaling to root, which is going to be let's do it. Can we have what? We have 1 plus I effective, which is going to be equal to, open bracket, it's 1 plus I nominal all over N to the power of N, like this. No? Okay, so now we're looking for what? For I norm. Okay. If we're looking for I norm, then we're going to say that we have 1 plus 0,145. And then we have 1 plus I norm all over N is 2 to the power of 2. And you can say square root. And then even this side, you say square root. If you say square root there, you're going to have something that looks like this. Let's check. 1 plus 0,415. 229 all over 200. Minus 1, which is going to be equaling to 1. It's I norm all over 2. Okay, you multiply by 2 both sides. Multiply by 2. And then it says I nominal is going to be given by 2 multiplied by, what do we get as our answer? 229 all over 200 minus 1. What did you get as an answer as a decimal? Did we get an answer as a decimal? What did you get as an answer as a decimal? 0,1401. It's just only 4. 1400. 1400. Now remember, we round off the final answer, Hodson. So it's 140093. Yeah, we can take 5. I think we're going to round off the final answer here. So we multiply by 100 so that we don't make mistakes. So we are going to have I norm, okay, which is going to be given as 14,01%. Okay, this is going to be our I nominal. Let's give